Exploring a variety of different mediums over the last decade, from digital artwork to three-dimensional space, I'm most inspired by color theory and exploration, creating experiential artwork for hotels, corporate clients, events, and private clients' homes. My work can be described as vivid, meaningful, and expressive, always trying to find new ways to brighten up the world of those around me. Today, we'll be learning how to make one of my favorite previous artworks using colorful paints, nails, and thread. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you join us. Nailed it.